guys, it's Carly Smith from Royal LePage NRC Realty, and today I'm along the canal in Port Colborne to present to you a piece of Port Colborne history, 152 West Street. This property was built in 1917. Here we have a 4-unit apartment building. Each unit is 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. You're located in a great neighborhood because you're right around the corner from all of your favorite shops, restaurants, and the Friday morning market. So if you're looking for your next investment opportunity, come and check this one out.